Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel on YouTube, you are most definitely welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple base cream from scratch. How to make a simple base cream, the easiest way to make a simple base cream. So for those first timers, make sure you subscribe before you leave, and for all the returnees, give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video, drop a comment, and share this video with your friends and loved ones. So the first thing or the first ingredient on our list is the Ever bottled water. I'll be making use of the 150 cl of the Ever bottled water. You can also make use of the tap running water, or better still, use the distilled water. But for this video, I'm making use of the Ever bottled water. So pour your water into your jug, or you can just pour it in a pot and use it, because we're going to use the water while it is still warm. So boil the water and allow it to cool down, but don't allow it to be completely cool. So the next thing I did was to measure out all of my other ingredients, and the next process is to measure out all your oils, like the e-wax, your stearic acid, the cetic alcohol. I made use of 1 cup each. That should be 250 grams of e-wax. And there's something wrong with my digital scale, my kitchen scale. There was something wrong with my kitchen scale, but I know the measurements of all these ingredients are just 1 cup each. So after measuring the oils, the e-wax and the rest, I'll set that aside. Next, get your measurement cup. In here, I'll be pouring my coconut oil. I made use of coconut oil because it's a very lightweight oil and it's very moisturizing. It helps smooth the skin through quick absorption. It smooths and calms the skin. It also helps restore skin moisture balance. So I'll be pouring in my coconut oil into my cup, and the measurement of the cup is 1/4 of a cup coconut oil. So get a clean bowl, make sure it is clean and sanitized. Use your rubbing alcohol on the bowl, make sure your surface and your workstation is clean. Pour in your e-wax, your stearic acid, your cetic alcohol. Mix all of these ingredients into the bowl. And don't mind my light, or my ring light. I don't know what's wrong with it. It was having some small score. So get a bowl, make sure all of your ingredients, all of the e-wax, the cetic alcohol, the coconut oil, pour all of these ingredients into the bowl, and later you transfer it to use the double boiling method to melt all of these oils together. So add the coconut oil, 1/4 of a cup coconut oil. So to melt this oil, we'll be making use of the double boiler method to melt the e-wax and other ingredients. We'll be making use of a double boiling method. Place your pot or a pan on heat. Make sure it's on low heat. Pour 2 cups of water into the pan or into the pot before placing your the bowl containing these ingredients inside of the pot. Use your spatula or spoon to gradually mix this oil until it is completely melted. After the oils have melted, bring it out from heat. Pour your 1 tablespoon of titanium oxide or zinc oxide. I'll be making use of zinc oxide. Titanium oxide or zinc oxide means sunscreen. This will help protect the skin from sun damage. The next thing I did was to use my spoon to mix it up properly into the melted e-wax till it is completely dissolved and it is thoroughly mixed into the e-wax, into the liquid. After which you mix it up thoroughly and pour it into a bowl, into a larger bowl or a bigger bowl, because I'll be mixing up the cream, the base cream, inside of the big bowl. Pour it gradually into the. So after pouring all of your oils into the bigger bowl, pour your water, your boiled water. Remember the 150 cl of ever bottled water that was poured into the jug, and it has boiled and now it is warm, it has cooled down. Pour it into the oils. Now use your spatula to mix it all up. It is blended up completely. While doing that, here are some benefits of a base cream. A base cream can be used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, and itchy skin. and even skin minor irritation. It can also be used on babies to treat diaper rash and skin bumps. It can also be used for your hair and cosmetic products like your body cream, your hair products like your shampoo, conditioners, hair cream, lotions, etc. Use your hand mixer. You can also use your stick mixer to mix the oil and the water together. Please do this carefully and gently to avoid bacteria and also sad bubbles. While it is still warm and before it gets thick, add your almond oil, add your oils into the base cream. I'm going to be making use of 1/8 of a cup. I added 1/8 of a cup twice, which is going to be 1/4 of a cup in total into the base cream. So I later added the whitening glycerin. I added 1/8 of a cup of whitening glycerin into the base cream. After adding the vegetable or whitening glycerin, use your mixer to mix that up again to allow it infuse into the base cream. Add your vitamin E oil. I'm very sorry why I was recording. I didn't record why I added the vitamin E oil. So in your own case, add 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil into your base cream and mix it up into the base cream thoroughly. I added 1 tablespoon because the base cream is much. So I added 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. I used my spatula to mix the base cream, and before it becomes thick, I added 1/8 of a cup, 1/4 of a cup preservative into the cream before it becomes hard, and I mix that up again. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye.